Ah, yeah. Look at those little boogers.
Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Well, today we got another good one for you. We're gonna do a shrimp and crawfish bowl. If you've never done one, stick around. This is the way we do it in South Carolina. This was also inspired by my buddy down in Louisiana, Chef Board. Oh yeah, baby. If you haven't checked his channel out, go check him out. He's a good fella. Until we get cranked off, hang tight.
Okay, here's some of the stuff we're gonna use. We're gonna use this Louisiana crawfish, shrimp, and crab bowl. We're gonna use some Tony Chachere's bold. We're gonna use a little bit of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna use some Texas Pete. We're gonna put a little bit of sausage in. We're gonna squeeze some oranges in there to get a little bit of citrus. We got corn and onions and little potatoes and mushrooms in that. And here's the best part. You ready? You ready for it? Here it comes. Ah, yeah. Look at those little boogers. All right. We're going to get our pot to rolling and we'll bring you back.
Okay. Our water's starting to heat up. And I hope you can hear me. This burner's pretty loud, so I'll try to come back over here so you can understand what I'm saying. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put both of these bags of seasoning in. And again, this is a smaller pot, so this is plenty. If I were cooking on the big pot, I would use a lot more than this. That's both bags. I'm also using Tony Chachere's bowl. I'm gonna put about half of that in. I'm also gonna add about maybe a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna add, this is Texas Pete. You do this to taste. That's about right there. Excuse me, I'm gonna spit that. Got oranges. I'm gonna put oranges in. Squeeze them. Drop them in. All right. Now, this is that bag of veggies. I'm gonna take it, wind it up. I'm gonna stick it, make sure it's submerged. And for right now, I'm just gonna put the top back on. And when that gets rolling, I'll bring you back. Okay. We got her in a rolling boil. See the steam. Look at her rolling. I don't know whether you can see that or not. I'm going to dump the sausage in. Stir it down. We're going to let the sausage and the veggies cook, and we'll bring you back. Okay, so we've had this rolling for about 10 minutes or so. These veggies ought to be well on their way. take this basket. Now this has a little hook. You turn it around this way so you can see it. There you go. That has a little hook that helps hang that basket. So what we're going to do is we're just going to reach in, take this bag out. There we go. Take our veggies out. Now our sausage is still down in there. We're just going to set this down into the basket. This is when the good stuff comes in. You see they're still alive and kicking. So we're going to dump those in. Escapee 2, 3. Let's catch up with them. That's 2. That's 3. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to start our timer. I like exactly 3 minutes. You'll find other people that'll go 2. You'll find people who will go 5. I like 3 minutes. Okay. It's been exactly 3 minutes. See, it's at a good rolling boil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the burner off. Okay. Now this is something I do that a lot of others don't do. I'm going to throw some shrimp in on top of it. Now this shrimp is frozen. That's going to do 2 things. We're going to cook this shrimp, and also it's going to start bringing that water temperature down. So let's put that shrimp in, and we'll start adding a little bit of shrimp. That's, I don't know, altogether that's probably a little over 3 pounds of shrimp in with these crawfish. Next thing, we're going to dump a little ice on top of it. I'm going to take my bag, put the veggies back in it, and we're going to let the shrimp and the crawfish and the veggies soak for about 20 minutes. Be about right. About 20 minutes. When we do, we will bring you back. Okay. Let's check this and see how we're doing. Oh yeah. All right. Let's pull the veggies out. I'll put those back in and let them soak. Set them back down a little bit. And if you notice, all the shrimp, or not just the shrimp, but the shrimp and the crawfish have all sunk to the bottom, which means they're good. They've soaked up that flavor. We've let them go about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna pull this up. Oh yeah. There he is. All right. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these crawfish and the shrimp and the sausage. I'm gonna pour that back in there. I'm gonna drop that basket back in. I'm gonna put the veggies back in. And I'm gonna set the fire again.
gonna let this probably go another 10 minutes or so, make sure our veggies are good and done, and then we'll bring you back. Okay, let this go about 10 minutes. Oh yeah, we got a good rolling boil. Let's cut this thing off and we'll check these veggies and just see. Bet you can hear me now. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I'm not selling telephones. All right. Oh, let's pull him up. Let him drain just a second. We'll pull this bag out and we'll check out and see what we got here. Let's see here. Wonder where that crawfish came from. Let's pull it out and we'll check it and see. All right, well, let's try one of these boogers. Oh yeah. Hope y'all know how to eat crawfish. If you don't, I'm sorry. Watch another video. Pull that out. Just like this. That's it. Try one of these shrimps here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Just push out the shell. Folks, let me tell you something. If you've never tried this, this is a crawfish bowl. If you've never tried it, don't be turned off by the way they look. This is good stuff. Thanks for watching. Till next time, if you haven't subscribed, hit the button over here. We'll have another video over here. So hang tight.